So when you're hooking up your voltage converter, you're going to need to find the keyed power coming off of the back of your key switch. It's pretty easy to figure out. You're going to want to have a basic multimeter, put it on the DC volt setting. Take your negative lead and put it to the negative terminal of the battery. The positive lead is going to go on one of the lines coming off the back of the key switch. We touch the green line, we get 52 volts. Go over to the blue line, we have nothing. But if I turn the cart back on, retest the blue line, now I have 52 volts at it. Recheck the green, back to 52. Shut the cart back off, recheck the blue line, 0 volts again. So that tells us our blue line coming off the back of the key switch is our keyed power. So this is the line you're going to want to connect to. Now the voltage converter comes with a ring terminal on the end of it. In order to connect to the back of the key switch, you're going to have to cut this off, and you're going to want to use a quick splice connector to connect up to this blue line. But if this is not something you wanted to do, you can hook this to the positive terminal of your battery. But once you do that, your accessories see power at all times. In order to cut the power to your accessories, you're going to have to physically power the battery off.